Howdy folks, it's Woolly Mammoth here with another Warzone video for you today. I hope you've been enjoying them so far, so don't forget to leave a like, a comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy. I wanna live forever.
For some reason, Lewis, I have no doubts that you actually will.
Honestly, if it's one of us, it'll be Lewis.
Of course it is. Lucky bastard. Actually, no, unlucky bastard.
Oh, I've got a chunky sniper
No,
rifle.
no.
Fuck off.
Oh, he's got. Oh, the guy I just killed said fuck off.
Can snipe quickly. No.
Ow, quick scope your mom, faggot!
That's enough mocking about.
Where are we
I'm bringing
dropping?
The car 98 in, so.
Oh my god, it's dead again.
Oh, that circle's like only covers half of it.
I reckon can we drop down and YOLO it?
Yeah, fuck it.
Yeah, fuck it.
Get the heli
Long,
chopper.
just
Straight away.
Get the heli chopper.
Bugger it. Alright then.
I'm gonna start the scavenger.
Someone's cocky. Shit in hell, this is gonna be fun.
I'm heading straight
gonna
for the
go
fire station.
Straight for the,
I'm gonna go down straight towards. Oh no, wait, are we just stopping up near the top?
Does someone want to go get the helicopter?
Oh god, there's so many here. Oh, we're dead.
No, we're alive. At the moment.
Oh, but we're not gonna be alive much longer.
That's you.
All I've got is a
He found a
fucking.
pistol! No!
I got a thermal sniper. This isn't good.
I only got a pistol. I only got a pistol.
Matt, is there someone down with you?
Yeah, he's dead.
Oh, you cheeky batty.
Oh, it's
Yeah, Matt, come
thermal
with me, because there'll be
Oh,
loads of people up here.
Where?
Wow, I could ride the ladder the wrong way.
Oh, there's a guy here. He's dead. Oh, he had a bloody rocket launcher.
Oh yeah, take that, that'll be useful.
He had a joker. I'm quite happy with my Uzi and my sniper, to be honest.
Yeah, I've just got this pistol with a fucking silence. Where's the next?
You can take the vehicle launcher if you want.
Matt, you take
Anyone
it. You
across the street?
do a handbrake turn around it. Like this.
Oh god, this is steep.
Come on, Lewis, you yeet it up it.
Oh, we made it.
Nice one.
Oh, where's it gone? Oh.
Oh, that's funny. That's fucking hilarious.
Fucking beautiful.
That you can make up here.
Bloody heck.
No, we
I
definitely
don't
can't
think
make
it
it
works.
there.
Something told me that didn't work.
It's because gravity's too high.
11.2.
We hit every rock on the way through there.
Oh, I'm being shot. Oh,
We're
there's
getting
someone.
shot, we're getting
There's someone there,
Somewhere
like
in
right
the
behind us.
Someone in the quad
What?
near the quad bike.
Yeah. Just go back and get him.
Following us. Shit. Gotta bail quick.
Yeah, he's
No,
following.
no, stay. We'll do a drive by.
He's following.
God. Where? I don't even know where they are.
Oh,
He's
there's
down
shit
there,
right
yeah.
They are.
Down one.
Did you
Killed
kill
one.
Is there another one?
Oh no, wait.
Yeah,
I'm
there
back
is.
too.
I don't like this gun.
Oh god, connection. There we are.
Where's the other one?
No.
Oh, Matt, it's down near you, Matt.
He's down here, isn't he?
Wait, Jake, you keep driving and I'm gonna
Fuck.
get on foot to help.
No, get out.
Fuck.
Where? Where?
Yeah.
He's gone down the cliff because I've shot him.
Yeah, there was two batties.
Yeah, there's another one.
Sniper range or assault rifle range?
Assault.
I mean, I've got to use a sniper because I haven't got an assault rifle.
Right, I'm going to pursuit.
Oh yeah,
Careful, there's two of them.
his armor's off. My armor's
Yeah,
off.
I see it. I see it. I see it. He's down. Shit. He's
Nice.
down. He's not dead. He's down. His friend's near him.
Okay,
Get
push
him.
then, push.
Oh, his friend is almost down. His friend's down.
Are they all
No, there's
dead?
another one.
There's one more.
Another
There,
one.
over there,
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Near you, innit?
Shit. Jesus Christ.
He's dead, he's dead. Team white.
Oh.
Okay, I'll get Nick.
Okay.
Oh. Thank you. Jesus Christ.
Have you got any armor? Right.
I've got armor. Yeah, I can.
Yeah, I also need some armor.
Oh wait, did Matt die?
Matt
Yeah,
fully
yeah.
died.
I
We
got-
can, we
I
can
got-
go
I got
buy
my
him back
legs
there. There's a shop up
Two-
here.
But you won. Good.
Yeah, boy.
Oh no, he won. That's fine.
Oh, this guy
Oh,
in the Croesus Silence LMG. If you want. I'll keep
That
my
was,
assault
Nick,
rifle.
that was my stuff.
Oh.
Oh, this is a heartbeat sensor if you want it.
Where is it? Oh, there.
Fucking rocks.
Oh, is this? Did this guy
I'll take the
sniper rounds?
proximity mine as well.
No, he didn't. Oh, bugger! I've only got 7 sniper
What
bullets.
sniper's
Yeah,
that?
I got baited down the hill.
I'll take bamboo shoot.
I don't know, but I'm taking it.
Do
So I think it's an X50.
Oh, what was that? An
Well,
airstrike or UAV?
you want to hop in that quad down there?
No, we've got stuff up here. Look.
We,
We've got
I'm gonna
cars
go
up
to
here.
the
Back to
shop
the
and
car.
buy some armor
Yeah,
and
good. Come to the shop up here, lads.
and self revives and shit. Oh, we could go to that
Oh,
as
loadout
well.
drop.
Takes
Sick.
so much moolah.
Thing
You
is, I
ready?
quite like the loadout I've got at the moment.
Where is the loadout drop? Oh, I think someone just brought someone back at the shop because there's like a red thing.
Shit. Oh god, gas!
Yeah.
Ow.
Is there? Because I'm right next to it. Look.
Oh no no.
Jeez, H, that gas.
Oh yeah, there's a whole team there, Jake. There's a whole team.
Behind!
He's dead. There's a whole team, so just watch it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I've downed
another
one.
down. Dead.
I'm down. I'm dead.
Oh my god, there's one in there. He's injured.
Yeah, he was in the cabin.
Yeah, it's down. It's down. He's dead.
Yeah, I downed him in
Is
my
that,
rocket
you got a
launcher.
team wipe? You got a team wipe.
If not, there's one more.
I don't know where it said. I don't think I've read team wipe.
He'll be in that building somewhere.
There'll be one more, I think.
Is
Well,
it
I mean,
just
they've
us
got,
two?
yeah, for now, until me and Lewis are in the gulag.
You can afford to buy us both back anyway. If not.
Yeah.
I'm just. Oh, silence assault rifle snapshot. I'll take that.
Oh, I died.
Right, so buy Lewis back.
Okay, Nick, we've got to be quick.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go. 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 I got your back.
I can't do it. You've got to buy it.
Yeah, you've got enough money.
Oh, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is
That's
it?
at the top.
Very top.
Redeploy.
Right, shall I land on you?
Move. Move. Move.
No,
Move. No,
because
no,
the
it's
gas
coming in.
is gonna.
Oh yeah.
Go. 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 Go.
Where are you gonna be going? Okay. I'll
Start
come.
heading towards the stadium.
Yeah. Okay. Go to that scavenger.
Yay!
Oh yes, I'm on top of my guy
Jesus,
to
man.
death. Where are you going?
The stadium.
Stadium.
Where the scavenger
land.
is.
Okay, I'll land the
Can you
top
see
right
a
now.
chick
Oh,
chog
wait.
there?
Yeah, there's a up ahead. Up ahead. Shit. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Eject.
Get out. Get out. Get out. Oh god, this is bad. Oh no. Can we get in here? No. Shit.
Follow me.
Yeah, there's 3 of them. Oh fuck my life.
What has happened to you?
Forgot to put the fucking parachute.
Oh fucking.
I see him.
Really?
I
I'm
see him.
gonna drop down. Matt next to you. Oh, actually, he's gonna kill me in
They
it.
see me. Ah, I'm down. I'm down. I'm down.
I haven't got a gun yet, so I can't help. Well, I
Fuck.
mean I can, but
Everyone's down.
shall I just run then?
Yeah.
Anyway, so I'm gonna shuffle over to you, love.
Oh,
Nah,
not
mate,
the revolver.
you're
Not
dead.
the revolver.
I mean, I'm very fucked, yeah. Jesus.
I'll just run.
Not the revolver, please.
Get in the car and go, Lewis.
Oh,
Trying to do a
yes!
scavenge.
I'm out the gulag. Where am I dropping?
Probably not on me.
Not on you. We're safe. Downtown? I'm just gonna drop somewhere in downtown and
Yeah, I'll
meet
drive
up,
over
meet
to you
up,
in a
meet up,
minute.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'll drive over to
I'll
you.
meet up. I need guns. Desperate.
Oh god, I can see people. I'm running this way instead.
I'm gonna pillage this building.
Actu-
Oh, armor plates. Yep, whatever. I just need guns. Trophy system, pistol, ammo. Carabiner? Yes, please.
Yeah, they've got in that car. They got in the red car.
Armor up. Wow, this wasn't a very big apartment then.
I can probably go finish the scavenge then. Oh, there's one more guy.
Yep, no, not going out that way. That's toward Lewis, and apparently it's dangerous.
Yeah, it is at the moment. Oh, there's one more guy, I think.
I'm just looting this area.
Oh god, there's 2.
Oh god, I got guys on me.
Let's just get out there.
I'm just gonna go to it.
Don't know how many hostiles, but.
Oh, I'm being shot.
Quite a few. Yo, god, yeah, I've got a team. Oh, god.
I'm being shot from up there.
Oh.
Shit!
Bugger.